Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is a blender by the brand right here. So the one that I got right here is a 5 cup and it has 10 different speeds on here. But first thing first, let's actually open up the product and see what it actually looks like first. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like right here. So they pretty much brought you guys a little user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then you guys can see the actual blender cup right there. So you can see this is basically what it looks like right here. And this is not plastic, this is actual glass. And then once you guys take out that part, you guys can see that's what it looks like inside there. So they pretty much provide you the little cap that you can put on top, so that way it don't spill everywhere. And then on the very bottom, they provide you guys the actual motor itself. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So for this one, it has a lot of different buttons right there, as you can see. So there's an on and off button, there's a high low button, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can control which speed to use. Obviously 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. So once you guys click on low, then you can use everything down here. If you guys click on high, then it'll be everything up here. And then right here we have the actual blender cup or the mug. You just want to put it in just like this. And you want to put the lid on top right here, just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. And then you guys are all set. So this is basically what the product looks like, as you can see. And when you guys hold this, you guys want to be really careful because it is glass and it's really heavy. But they basically have the measurement on both sides. So this side shows the liter, and then on the other side right here, it shows the cup and ounce. And then they basically have this part where you guys to pour out the drink right here really easily. And for the blade inside here is a 4 stainless steel blade. So that should be really powerful. But we have to try it out for ourselves to see whether that's true. And all of the parts in here is dishwasher safe. So if you guys want to use a dishwasher to wash it, you definitely can. And on the very bottom, they do have the anti-skid material to hold it in place so that way it won't keep moving around. And they do have the fan right here to help the air flow. And then here's the cable that they use to plug in to activate it. But that's basically what the overall product looks like. Let's go try it out and see how it works first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have it all plugged in. So even without the product inside yet, it still works like this, if you can see. So that's the post mode. We click on low. Then you can use everything down here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you guys click on high, then you use everything from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right there. If you guys want to bring it back up, just simply go like this, very slightly, and it pops back up. So let's put some ice into the actual product itself and blend it. See how it works. I love how easy it is to actually open up this part right here just like this. Just twist it and open it and just add whatever you want inside. Whether you want to add fruits, celeries, ice, whatever, just dump it through this hole and just cover it back up like this. And then it's all set. Alright, so we got our ice inside. Let's cover it back up. And let's give it a try. So let's try the post first. So I'm going to click post right here. Alright, you can see it's super powerful. But let's try the low one. Alright, so we're going to use the low one, it's not that strong. But let's try the high one at number 10 and see what happens. So it looks like when you guys put a lot of ice in here, it's not super strong. So it looks like it doesn't really blend all the ice really well. But it does blend the bottom part. You can see all the ice in the bottom. It does blend, but I guess ice is not too well if it's just by itself. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I guys saw the quick test of the product itself, you guys can see it actually does work. Basically all you guys have to do is just click on the speed that you guys want to use to blend whatever the product is that you guys are using it for. So whether it be ice, smoothie, ice cream, whatever you guys want to use it for, that's up to you guys. But now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for an affordable and really good blender, then this is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day we have.